who said Massey win the competition, let me sound out of the air. Up there, up there, up there. Take it down here now. All who said the sound from Manchester, King Chaplin, win the competition, let me sound out of the air. Jesus Christ. And you're silent like a convent. No, sir. You want to say something?
Yeah, big up yourself, Massive. I tell you sometimes, and sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some.
Exactly.
You don't know what things say.
Well, you want to hear my opinion now? I'll tell you God true. You know not true. See? I mean that. See? When you come here, so you have to come rough. Full of tune. You see them people out there, look there. All of them in here know tune. Yeah, man, but I saw it go. See, and you want more aggression and them things. So, ladies and gentlemen, without no partiality, see, original dancehall Thursday tonight, we honor this sound from Toronto, Canada. Really have a fact, you play feet and you win it. When you just start out, you kind of lazy still, you know. See, but you build up along the way. So, thank you very much. Original dancehall Thursday, honor the eye with the trophy tonight. See, play your victory tune and say something to the people.
Yeah, you know what, it's an honor when you get a trophy from a veteran like Peter Metro, alright? It's also an honor when we play against Oliver from Metro Media, Sky Joes on the stage, and all of the big artists them we come on and perform, alright? So I want to big up O'Neill, alright? Big up O'Neill, he make this possible, as well as Peter Metro. So you know, so we have to big up them and honor them with enough respect, you understand? Now all this up in the ear. Because here what? Now if you big up Fabian, you see Fabian from my left hand, alright, I put him on my right hand, you know, because it's very important. All this Fabian, make the camera see. I tour with me, I don't want to win. So I'm going to play a final tune, I big up Massive International Sound, them and I promote at Toronto. Big up Peter Rankin who passed and gone, because I want my people when we work with in the dancehall business. You understand? Big up Soul to Soul, Rosa, and then on the roll. Fabo, big up yourself, because you're a big promoter in Toronto. So I'll play a final tune for the people. Simit, big up yourself. All the Comfort Castle crew, Ratty, big up on yourself. I understand, Boise, Dainty, the whole entourage from Portland, we come out. Because that's how we born, and that's how we grow, and we go to Canada, and we come back. Lively, big up yourself, you're a big artist, and you're going to perform later. You understand? So, you don't know. Big up Payaka Sound. I play one more tune. You understand? They don't give me a chance to play one more dub plate. So I'm going to squeeze that one out. Big sound. Big up. Icho Candy. Large of yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Now one, another one let me play. Listen to one now.
How some sound boy feel like? You can't test them champion sound now, you.
Mighty Diamonds.
Get dust, you know. Alongside the Mighty Diamonds. Come fast!
I want to listen to that one, yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. Mighty Diamonds.
Massey Sound rule.
Yeah,
oh, yeah.
Massey Sound will never run away. Listen.
No, no, no. Massey Sound, no, no, no. Massey Sound, prophesy, stay. Oh, yes. A song where I go find him back behind the walls, yes. It a go bitter. No Massey Sound come. Not him I will try.
Alright, level. And we are say Kingston, big up. It's an honor to be here. Peter Metro, respect. And big up the whole team. Big up my friend them from Portland who come support the thing from far. You know the thing go. Big up.
Yes, Massive.